If you aren't a great packer or you always feel unprepared when you travel, this video is for you. I'm gonna share how I always arrive in style and with everything I need when I travel. Let's get into it. So what you see right here is the first thing I always do when I have a trip coming up. I kind of pull things and put them on a rack. You can do this in a very condensed version. You can kind of lay it on a chair. When I used to live in an apartment, I would just set it out like on the floor in my closet, sometimes on the floor in the living room. But these are just all my ideas. It's gonna be 101 degrees. And I kind of have somewhat of an itinerary. So with those things in mind, I can kind of pull ideas, right? I'm going for the Usher concert. So I got like my concert outfit. I know I'm going to dinner one night. So I have my dinner outfit. I know I'm having like a pool day. So I have actually 2 pool options just in case, depending on the pool day, right? I have like a more relaxed, casual pool look and then like a super dressy, you know, if we're going to like a pool party look. I have like a shopping outfit. That's what I have here, just kind of like my ideas based on the itinerary. But what really ensures that you arrive prepared, which I can't fathom how some people just throw stuff in a suitcase. Love that for you. I'm gonna try on everything, make sure it's all styled, and I'm gonna take a picture of it. If I get up in the morning and we're, you know, going shopping, I can look at my pictures and already know the outfit that I'm gonna wear and just get out what I need instead of rummaging through trying to make outfits too stressful. Find somebody else to do it. Also lay out like all of the potential handbags and the shoes, again, to make sure I have everything I need. Speaking of handbags and shoes, because I have all of my accessories here, I do want to show you 2 new items that I just got from Farfetch. This part of the video is in partnership with Farfetch. You know, I love Farfetch. I have the app. I highly recommend using the app. Still get questions on what Farfetch is. It is a hub where stores all over the world can sell things, basically, right? So you're usually getting the item from the actual boutique. Example are these Ferragamo shoes that I've had on my wish list forever, that I'm actually taking to Vegas. I feel like, you know, the theme is kind of neutrals. You know, I'm just embracing what I love. But I've been wanting these, and these came from a boutique in the US. They actually came from like Rodeo Drive. So yeah, it's just like a hub where you have access to so many things, which is what I love about it. Usually something is like out of stock in a lot of places, or even when something is like super, super new, because it's like either department stores or the boutique, they'll have it available on Farfetch. So it's super easy to shop. You can type in what you like, but if you use the app, they do a really good job of curating things for you too. So like I have like a little like new in section for you, which is for me. And they always know like just what I like. Then I got these pair of sunglasses. Loewe, of course, my favorite. How cute are they? Loewe is a brand that is like for VIPs. I think that's what they call them. But you get like, once you become a VIP, which is this loyalty basically when you shop so often, you get access to special brands and like special items. So maybe things that aren't like, are hard to find or just like aren't available to everyone. This was one of those things. Look how cute they are. So I'm definitely taking these, like a little classic black moment, but like a little fun. I love these, I love these. I'll link the sunglasses, but I'm pretty sure you have to be a VIP. So if you use your same email often every time you shop, check and see if you have access to that. And then I will link the shoes as well and anything else that I share throughout the video that's available on Farfetch. And thank you again to Farfetch for sponsoring this part of the video. Let's get into packing up my makeup. This is an amazing travel case I got from Amazon. Smaller sizes and bigger sizes. So again, if you don't need this much space, there's a smaller one. Mine is a little dirty. Oh, I have more brushes in here. I'm gonna take all the brushes out. I have most of the brushes already in my sink because I'm in the process of washing them. That is a major tip. I like to make sure I go on trips with clean brushes. I try to do this in like the order so that I don't forget anything. So starting with my makeup, face base and eye base. These are kind of like travel ones. Brows, these are my pencils. Those over here. So that's all my base stuff. Both of my powders. So this is my bronzer. Make sure I will travel with a pink blush and kind of a orangey blush. A finishing powder, a highlighter. This cream blush. I have a setting spray. Is almost out, but I already have a backup. I always will take this palette, 2 new fresh sets of eyelashes. Take this Pat McGrath. Can't forget eyelash glue. My favorite Gucci lipstick. I always take lip gloss in case I want to make anything glossy. Add in my brushes here. Once they are washed and ready to go. All right, so this is all the jewelry I tried on with all of my outfits. I have some new jewelry from Pandora. I'm shooting a Pandora little some content while I'm in Vegas, so let's go ahead and pack it up. Let's pack skincare, body care. So that's what's gonna go in both of these. Okay, so I try to do this like the makeup, like I use my routine to make sure I don't forget anything. So I'm gonna start with the morning. In the morning, this is the face wash in there, my vitamin C. So morning eye cream, little oil, do sunscreen. I did just get a travel one, so I'm gonna take this. It's pretty much the morning. The night is more intensive. So for makeup, I'm always gonna do an oil cleanser. I got this little travel one. And then I'm gonna cleanse with a cleanser that's already in here. Use this product for any like texture bumps, acne. Same oil again at night. So serum at night only. I really love both of these because I can use it morning and night if I need a little extra. I added this dark spot treatment to my routine at night. Oh, and a night eye cream, child, which I always will take a micellar water. If I get a breakout, I take this Glam Glow mask. I take this little roller if I'm feeling puffy. Move on to body care. So we're done with that one. So Sleep Gummy. Little razor in case I need to do my eyebrows. Favorite travel fragrance. My travel toothpaste that I just keep in here. This is to clean my jewelry. I do keep little eye masks as a tongue scraper. I have a regular one and a travel one. And then this is just like a cuticle oil. Favorite lotion, Josie Moran. Take this also. I like this at night. My deodorant, little things to wash my face. Actually, I'll put those in the skincare. Rollerball from Topicals. It helps with like keeping your underarms like not getting dark. Also, I'm gonna make sure I take some of those. And then this is the glow oil I just got that's also SPF. So I'm gonna replace that, and it's plastic and easier to travel with. So I'm gonna take this out. Lastly are just wipes. I just like to make sure all the makeup is off my face. So that'll go in there. Oh, and that is everything for body care and skin care. What are we moving on to? Oh, let's start packing. Let's pack up our carry-on, which is gonna be all of our valuables. Just got this one from Base. I really like it. It's a little bigger than what I had before and has lots of nice compartments on the inside. Oh, I mentioned this in a video before. My fashion toolkit has shout wipes, band-aids, body tape, shoulder pads. Did I say band-aids already? Cushions for your shoes, fingernail file. It has all kind of things, safety pins that I might need in case of a fashion emergency. Lint roller. All right, let's pack our carry-on. I don't put everything in a dust bag because I just don't find it necessary. This is taking those. These will probably be my airport outfits, so I'll leave these out. I'm actually not taking that many for now. I think I'm just taking a brown, a white, and a black. And then this is all the jewelry. We already saw that. I'll just put it on the inside. Oh, I already have a dust bag in here. It's a Louis Vuitton, but that'll do. Actually, I'm gonna keep it stuffed so it doesn't get smashed. And then I'm just gonna close it up. Vintage Hermes bag, but that'll do. Dust bag, I mean. This one's very durable leather, so I'm not too worried about her. So I'm just gonna put that there. This I am gonna cover up just because it has that plastic in there. And that's that. All right, so I always lay out 2 outfits depending on how I feel when I wake up that day. So I know I'm gonna take a jacket because I'm always cold on planes. I actually have a white jacket coming from Zara. If it comes in time, I may switch that out. So I'm gonna lay out this little dress. I know we're like all tired of seeing it, but it's just so comfortable. I love the print, it feels a little more summery. So if I'm in the mood to wear a dress, that'll work. especially when I have a flight super early. This flight is at 5 a.m. or 5 something. So I need this to be ready, and then depending on how I feel, that's what I wear. And then this is just like my typical go-to, which is black because I'm clumsy and I spill a lot. So black little cropped top, and then black linen pants. And then I'm for sure gonna wear fuzzy slides. They're sandals, but I feel like they'll give me like a little bit of warmth. A nice oversized sunny. We're all set aside. Also, keep in mind, I'm doing all of this 2 days before my trip. So I like to just give myself time. If I want to rethink something, or if I feel like I forgot something, I have time to kind of look over things. That is packing with me. I hope the tips were helpful. Maya's coming over tomorrow and we'll pack all of this stuff in the big suitcase, but that's pretty self-explanatory. I don't use packing cubes. People always recommend it. I don't like to squish my clothes, like things that have feathers. I have like, you know, delicate things, and I don't like rolling them up. I just sit the outfits on top of each other, works just fine. I always have plenty of space because everything is planned out. I don't need to take a bunch of stuff, so I'm not typically worried about space. So yeah, I don't use packing cubes or anything like that because I just don't like my clothes like super bunched up and hella wrinkly when I get to where I'm going. I will link the 2 things that I got from Farfetch this month below if you're interested in those. I think that's everything. Thanks for stopping by. See ya.